Hello friends, in this video we will see the working with arithmetic calculations with user input using arithmetic operator. So let's start with addition of two numbers. For example, the first variable is n1 and the value is 20. For variable n2 the value is 40. So initialize the variable n1 and n2 with value 20 or 40 by using plus operator. Add n1 with n2 and store the result in variable res. Using print statement we can display the result or output. For example, sum of, you can display the result with index value also, like sum of at index 0 for variable n1 and at index 1 for variable n2 is for variable res by using format function n1, n2 and res. So by using format function you can display your output like this: at index 0, which will store the value for variable n1, and for variable n2 the value will be stored at index 1, and for result the value will be stored at index 2. So when you run this program, save your file, see the result. Sum of 20 and 40 is 60. So at index the value of variable n1, then at index 1 the value of variable n2, and at index 2 the value of res. So you can display your result by using format function also. And if you want to receive input from user, so use input function. Display a message to a user. For example, enter value for n1 input, enter value for n2. When we enter some value by using input function, it will accept a string value. So for this we have to convert it into numeric value. So convert this value in integer or float, whatever you like. When you run this program, so it will ask you to enter some value for variable n1. So my first value is 56 and second is 5. So the result, sum of 56 and 5 is 61. You can also use /t. /t is used for tab, or you can say the horizontal space. Let's see the use of this /t. When you run this program, now you can see the cursor. You can see the space between the text message and the value by using /t. So plus is used for addition. If you want to subtract some value, you can use subtraction, and for multiplication you can use multiply. Let's see how to multiply these two numbers. First is 4 and second is 7. You can change the message. I am using result. Five and 7. So result of 5 and 7 is 35. That is multiplication. So you can use this asterisk symbol for multiplication. For division you can use the slash. When you enter value for n1 13 and for n2 2, it means you want to divide this variable n1 with variable n2. So divide the value 13 by 2, so it will gives you the floating values, that is 6.5. You can also use this double slash, which indicates you want to calculate quotient. The first value is 13. 2, when you divide 13 by 2, it will gives you the quotient 6. For remainder or modulus, you can use this percent symbol. So it will gives or generate you the remainder value. Divide 13 by 2, so it will gives you the remainder 1. And the last arithmetic operator is asterisk and asterisk 2 times, which means power or exponent value. It means we want to calculate power n1 or n2, n1 raised to the power n2, power, enter value for first 2 and 3. So the value of n1 raised to the power by n2, that is 8. That's all. Thank you.